doing outdoors with me and my boat. I got my pole out. Wait, I think I just have that pole just been down. It will. Oh yeah, we do it. Yeah, we got right. We got right. She's coming around. But you. Yeah, hey, big one. Leave that turn. Get that turn. Or scooping up, putting in the boat. Yeah, that's an alligator. That is a real gar. That is a gar. I'm going to shoot that gar. Okay. Got gun out the boat. Put the gar in a cooler. Get cut bait, put cut bait on the hook. And cast it out by that point. Now I gotta get that weight. Oh, you never seen our new cook. Well, we had a brand new cook. When we were at Tankivi and Mike, we saw a brand new cook floating on a river for real. And they were like that. So I got my little net and scooped it up and brought it home. Cause a really brand new cook. She a brand new cook. So, and you might remember real cook is so then that off, and you might be right in my gun, but bye.